Are your teams still relying on paper forms, PDFs, or spreadsheets to track inspections, maintenance, or safety checks? Manually collecting data increases errors and keeps critical information from reaching the teams that need it when they need it. IMAGINiT FormsConnected digitizes your field data, audits, work orders, inspections, capturing accurate information in real time, even offline. No more re-entry errors, delays, or compliance gaps. Field teams at substations, in service trucks, or at plants can log issues, attach photos, and sync directly to your operational system. Backed by experts who understand the complexities of utility operations, FormsConnected supports digital transformation and integrates with the platforms you already use, helping you reduce risk, improve reliability, and streamline operations. Modernize your workflow and empower your field teams. Book your FormsConnected demo today.